BenQ has sent me a 24-inch monitor and a 27-inch monitor. And let me tell you, this is not gonna be your typical unbox the box video and let me fill you with some boring details. It will be educational and entertaining, for sure.
Hey James, we just got the monitors.
No, 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 no!
Today I'm diving into something new. BenQ, a technology product company, has asked me to share with you their eye-friendly monitors. And you know, I thought about it for a moment and I didn't see how it would really work on this channel, but as I was chatting with my son a little bit further, it made sense. You see, he is homeschooled and he's on the computer a lot, as well as my other two kids. And then there are so many of you who are working from home. So this seemed to be a good fit. So my son and I are going to collab in this video, and I'm sure I'll learn a thing or two from him. We're going to unbox the monitors and we're gonna break down all the specs for you and put it together. So let's get started. All right, you guys, so I am pretty excited to unbox the box. Let's see what's inside. Show the homeschool mom who may not be tech savvy, okay? I'm not that tech savvy, my son is, but I wanted to share with you how simple this would be to put together. So, first things first, out of the box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, check. Okay, this is the BenQ LCD Monitor Quick Start Guide. And it's a stylish monitor with eye care technology, the G series. And I know you can skip a beat and get this all done, but to my homeschooling moms and anybody else that's watching that, you know, needs a little bit of guidance, it's written here in numerical form. And for those visual learners, there are pictures here. So we are going to take number 1, which is the monitor, and then it just says to flip it upside down. There's actually 6 steps here to put this together, so that's pretty cool. These 2 pieces next, what are these pieces?
So this is the stand, the monitor stand, and then this is the monitor arm to hold the monitor up.
Can I call it a neck?
No, it's a monitor arm.
It looks like a neck though, but that's not the correct technical term. Okay, so the arm to the base.
You flip it over, you see this little screw here. That's what's, can you hold that please? Thank you.
Yes.
So if we hold it this way and attach it in, now that has to be screwed.
Here's the handle. Now what do we do with the handle? Good. For step number 4, we're going to attach the base, the arm to the monitor.
So all we do is we probably want to flip this around. Flip it around. Thank you, Mom. That was very nice. Then all we do, take the monitor arm. This part's probably the trickiest part. You have to lock it into both. Never mind, it's not tricky at all. There you go.
It clicked right in. So we haven't used this monitor yet. However, I wanted to point out that the tilt and pivot features are very, very important because you can adjust it to whatever height and whatever tilt that you need, and that nowadays is ergonomically correct. So those are great features. Okay, so this is cool. We just figured this out. Look at that. How cool is this for a programmer or what were you saying?
Gamer.
A gamer. How cool is this?
You have display Discord on this side.
I can see a fashion show on here. No, that's not part of the deal. Anyway, very cool. So I do want to stop in and say that we will be using these monitors for several months, and we'll circle back and we'll let you know how it worked out for us. However, in the meantime, James is going to come on and he's going to walk you through all of the technical specifications in an entertaining way.
We've all heard of the terms LCD, LED, HD, and 1080p, but do we really know what they mean? I have to be honest, I thought I knew more than I already did about these terms until I started researching them. I'm going to hopefully bring you the same type of understanding that I found through my research. These monitors are LCD with LED backlighting. What does that mean? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to use the example of a light bright toy to hopefully shed some light on this topic. Here we have a light bright. Think of the LCD screen as the black part here. Then, on the LCD screen, there are millions of these little pixels represented by the colored pegs. These colored pegs have no light source in and of themselves, but when you turn on the light bright, the pegs illuminate. This is similar to how the pixels on the LCD screen light up from the LED backlighting. Alright, let's talk resolution. The resolution on these monitors are 1920 by 1080, more commonly referred to as 1080p. The more pixels you have on the screen, the more detail and clarity the image will have. It's like having a grid of 1920 dots across and 1080 dots down on your screen. We have two boards, both the same size. Representing pixels are these little Lego bricks. On this board with the larger bricks, we can only fit 50 bricks or pixels. On the board with the smaller bricks, or pixels, we can fit 200. Notice the difference on each board. On the board with the smaller bricks, we can create more detailed, clearer patterns. On the board with the larger bricks, we can't quite create the sharp patterns, but more like blob images. I know it's a little crude, but basically, the more pixels a screen has, the greater detail the images will be. Next on the list is refresh rate, which for these monitors is 75 Hz. A higher refresh rate means clearer, smoother motion. It's great for fast moving stuff like gaming or action movies. Imagine a flip book, where each page is a frame of a movie. If you flip the pages slowly, the motion looks choppy. But if you flip the pages faster, the motion becomes smoother. Similarly, a high refresh rate on a monitor means it can display frames more quickly, making movements in games or videos appear smoother and more natural. This makes the gameplay feel more fluid as compared to, let's say, a lower refresh rate monitor.
So I'm sure you can relate to this. So you know all of those buttons on the side of the monitor that you have to toggle with to adjust the monitor settings? Well, with the iCareU app, you can adjust all of those settings with just the click of a mouse. So looking at the app, there's this little guy right here that signals you to the different levels of blue light protection, which varies in different modes. So you'll see in the care mode, which we have right here, you have 3 levels of blue light protection. And then in the e-paper mode, you will find that you have 5 badges right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the little guy also indicates the changing of the levels of protection. Now jumping back to the care mode. The care mode is specifically adjusted to lower the brightness and to reduce color saturation for the protection of sensitive eyes. Saturated colors can cause visual fatigue because the eye must keep refocusing and refocusing on different wavelengths. It also tends to saturate viewers' receptors, hence the name. So the reading mode is designed to eliminate harmful blue light and prevent eye fatigue. In the color weakness mode, the monitor retains red and green filters to enhance color perception for kids with color deficiency. This is also very important because research has shown that 1 in 12 boys and 1 in 200 girls have color vision deficiencies. You're gonna like this one. This is the e-paper mode. And as you can see, it's like an e-book format. It's crisp, black and white, it's clean. It's just like reading a book. There are many other options. However, these 4 modes are very useful for those who are schooling at home or working from home. So I'd like to point out another feature right here. This is called the brightness intelligence mode. And it automatically adjusts the brightness settings as the ambient light changes. Oh, it just adjusted. That's cool. It just keeps adjusting. How cool is this? This little eye pops up. Both monitors feature noise filter speakers with a noise cancellation microphone. And this is very important for those who are using Zoom calls online for classes or for business meeting because it reduces the background noise. So that's our video.
I hope you enjoyed it.
And I hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.